Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
It is connected successfully. Go to UCD.
But I'm not. You show me that when you did it, you should show that the failover it's not show that of the failover here.
No. Go to UCD first. Go to the UCD.
Go to UCD. So here, if I refresh this
Agent
one,
relay. Yeah.
so I will see the
Came
agent
right.
running. Yes.
Yeah, agent running. Now go to the agent relay. It is connected to main relay. If you stop
Yes.
the main relay, automatically go to the backup relay.
Yes, but when you did your own, okay, from this log, it shows that the failover that it's connected to this one successfully, but it will also show that the failover is connected to the other server. But yeah, it's not coming up. That was why I stopped it.
No,
From the log.
I didn't get you. What you want here? Everything is fine now.
So what I want here is that it should tell me that there is a failover information here, okay, that
Okay.
is connected to this one, but the failover that when there is failover is connected to this server, but I'm not seeing it here.
That logs. Okay. No. Here it won't show that logs. It will that logs when it will show. Now stop that agent. Stop that relay. When it go to the second none, then it will show the logs. Failover logs.
You want me to stop the relay?
Okay.
Can I stop the relay from the server?
Yeah. Now stop the relay. Main relay. Stop the main relay.
Okay, let me go to the main one.
You cannot
There's
stop
no,
from here.
no,
You
I
cannot
cannot.
stop. You have to go to the server and stop.
Okay. So this is the main relay.
Stop it.
Okay, let me just stop it for me. That's correct. Main relay. Let me stop. Okay, so when I come here, let me refresh.
Now it went to there, right? Now go to the UCD logs, agent logs. Go there, agent logs.
Oh, this.
See, now it is will detected the failover relay. You want that one, na first line.
Yeah. Okay. Take it. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I got it now. Yeah, I got it now. Yeah. So the last thing was that this format configuration. Let me add the agent now.
Agent. Not right to import that one.
This one, right?
Yeah. Save.
I will save it.
Import the version which you want.
Then I will go to version, right?
Yeah, import the version. Which version you are trying to import?
Is it,
Go to the Nexus repository. 11.0. Yeah, 1.1.0. 1.1.0.
so why is it coming like this? Specify a version. 1.1.
1.1.0.
Yeah.
Save.
See.
We'll go to the logs. Yeah. There only actions. Status, actions. Yeah, actions. Yeah. That is the logs. Yeah. Click on it. That is the logs. It is failing. Why?
It's failing. It said no product append could form for longer.
Warning, no appendant cooldown for the Apache. Please installation log4j log. Wait. Error, new creation message. server URL is valid. It is valid. Oh, some troubleshoot you have to do here. You have to do troubleshoot here. Somewhere we are doing a mistake.
Server URL is valid, and it says no appendix to be found for longer.
Please initialize the log4j. It is telling that go into the settings tab, go to the system, go to the systems to see the logs. Nothing else. Go to the systems.
When you system for
One more. Top right, 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 more.
this side, okay,
More. Oh, settings. Enable the log4j. Okay, logging. See, it is telling that you want to enable this one, so that it can show. Okay. So everything ash, it is there, right? So that is nothing else. Now it is not required. Leave like that only. So we have to troubleshoot somewhere we are missing. I think we have to keep the repository name as a .com something. Go to repository name, Nexus repository name. Go to the Nexus. See, com. Click on the browser. Not this one. When you browse button come right, click on the browse button. Repository button. This one, yeah, browse button. See, where is your this one, right?
See, repository. Look at it.
Okay, copy this one.
Okay.
Go to the urban code component. Paste it there. Paste it.
Yeah.
Delete the Walmart release.
Okay, it's coming like this.
Now save. Now Walmart release, everything will come like that.
Okay.
Now, one second. Somewhere we are missing. Go to the Nexus. Nexus. Go inside the Walmart. Inside the Walmart, we are mixing com empty. Okay, we are missing the com empty. Okay, copy the path. Com empty. Copy this path.
Okay.
Com empty we are missing. Okay.
Copy this path.
Com empty where we can keep. Com empty is there now for you. com/empty, not com.empty.
This one.
Can you do one thing? Open the notepad.
Like this one, right?
Paste is there. Paste. What we paste there? Walmart com/empty. Okay, com/empty we have to keep. We have kept the com.empty. Go to the where you have to go. You have to go to the urban code. Go to the urban code.
Okay.
Go to the urban code. Urban code. Com/empty. Group ID in group ID com/empty, not com.empty. Com.
/ what?
Com/empty. You have to keep com/empty. Delete everything. Till release, delete.
Yeah.
Delete. Till release, delete. HTTP to Walmart release. No. In group ID, see com/empty.
Because I want to delete to this side.
Yeah. See this com/empty is keep that one and delete everything.
Okay. Let me delete from here.
Yeah. Delete.
Okay.
And forward slash. Keep only com/empty. forward slash starting and ending. Starting and ending.
There's forward slash here.
Slash
Like
is
this.
there na. I can see forward slash. Forward slash
Yes.
com is there na. Delete the
Yes.
forward slash.
Okay.
And ending was ending.
This one.
Delete. And now save and try to import. Now save and try to import.
Okay, let me go to version.
Import. See the logs. Click on the logs. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one.
This one. Warning. Sibling issues.
See. HTTPS. No, it's not reaching here.
Server version could not be identified. Could not confirm. He's saying there's issue with this. Server version could not be identified.
Do one thing. Can you give me that URLs? Can you give me that URLs?
Okay, you want me to this one?
Yeah. This one also give me. And urban code URL also give me so that I can check from my end.
Okay, sure. Let me look for
I'm deleting mine. Nexus Maven SCM na. 1 second. Are you checking right?
yes, I'm checking.
You had to use this one, I think so.
Yeah.
Access is done. Access is done. This is automation plugin. Offline access are there. Automation plugin. Upload the automation plugin also for your steps. This one, right?
Yes. Any 1.1, 1.10, 1.110 is okay.
Access group. I'll do one thing. Not to add everything in my line. What is the password for Nexus? Admin 12.
One,
Admin
two,
1.
three.
Admin 12345, right?
That's correct.
One dot. See, it is telling that Nexus server is outdated version, so you have to update.
It's an addicted version.
Yeah,
To
Nexus server. How did you install the Nexus server? Let
I,
me.
it was a
Yeah,
new version that it was a new version that I downloaded. I went to a Nexus repository I think look at
This is
3
new
point.
version only now. 3 dot right only. This new version only.
This is new version. Yes, this new version.
Then how it is saying old? This clear cut telling the Nexus server is outdated. That is the reason you're not able to do. 1 second.
That's so funny. This is the latest Nexus version.
I didn't get you.
I said this is the latest updated version. That's the highest version there.
Yeah, this needed. You mean to say this is latest version like that?
Yes, yes.
Where will I find that one? This Nexus star file. Star file.
Excuse me, you said?
What I meant to say, where I find the star file.
Just in Nexus download. I can give it to
Where
you.
where it is exactly?
If you just type Nexus download.
Okay, Nexus download. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It is Docker image, right?
This is the one that I use.
This one only, right?
Yeah, that one.
We are using 331.19, 331.1. This one right only. I need to upload. Oh, let me something I'm doing. Copy URL. thing we are doing wrong. Last time I'm able to do from Access repository only. I'm successfully able to admin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The is Maven 2 na. How come it coming outdated version? When Access service outdated version, it is recommend to upgrade to version 3. Error creating version 3.
Okay, maybe I will just install that JFrog again and run really build my terminal because I don't know how to use that token from JFrog. So I'll just push it to JFrog and use JFrog at the way it did it.
Yeah. See, it will work, but I don't know why that is giving an error. I'm not sure, but it will work. Artifact.
Could not get any file.
Yeah, it is telling that server confirm the supplier server is valid. So we should not use this one. You have to use this one only. For Nexus, you have to use this one. Access repository manager. This one you have to use. If I put the server, let me put the server URL and only the repository. The repository admin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Import
Is it working now?
something problem with the plugin, I think. See, what we're doing, that is correct. Okay, sometimes plugin problem, or is there any some case is there? Let me check.
Oh, we're not using the right plugin.
No, we are using the right plugin only, but sometimes what happen on urban code, like what to tell, they might raise a case, okay, on this one only.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts. Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.